You can just about see where the railway lines were that were actually connected. The railway lines used to run out here, down there, onto the main line. This is what was Bay 12, 13 and 14, the test beds with the new factory in the background. Warehouse, the old powerhouse. Directors used to park the cars. A rather interesting feature in the floor here, you see the strips. These in fact were wooden strips, so the horses, when they were pulling the carts, could get a grip on the floor. You can see the railway lines here. This is the entrance to the offices. All been changed. The staircase up to the directors. And this was the big one-time managing director's office. Converted into some much smaller ones. There's a better view of the what used to be. You can actually see the floor girders of the test beds. More offices, all in a state of disrepair. And a view of the machine shop. The overhead crane, all DC, all riveted construction. Somebody's taken a builder's plate off it. This could be one of the original cranes dating back to 1908, 1909. We can continue down the passageway. Into the office is tendering. This part we're going into now was originally the drawing safe. Hence the big thick walls. It was separate from the building in case there was a fire. Everything would have been okay. View of the front of the factory. You can just about see the writing on the wall. Mirrlees Bickerton Day. The only remaining air raid shelter on the premises. I think this was the telephone exchange, and the soundproof walls. And some of the old telephone equipment still in place. An original tannoy box. And we can continue our walk through the offices. Something you don't see much of now, an old drawing board, the old cast iron radiators. More cast iron radiators. You can see the old wooden roof and the lights above. Bit of damp in the place now. More offices with a canteen at the background. Filing cabinets with Mirrlees engine numbers on. All the different contracts. Manchester Airport, 2 KV12 gas engines. San Andreas MB430. PT Inco, Singapore. Suriname. Now these stairs were originally on the outside of the building. This is where the main notice boards were, and these are the doors that led into the machine shop. This is where the drawings were all kept. There's still a few left. And this was the tool room. Foreman's office. Still with a few books in. All seems a lot smaller now. This was the special room where the jig borrower lived. One-off shop. Now we're back into the liner bay. That's where the honing machine was. This is where the 2 big capstans were. A rather dirty, dusty place. Full of cast iron dust, as you can see. So that was a little wander around the factory before they come and knock it down.